channel. It's me again. Happy 2018, guys. We made it to 2018. I can't even believe we made it to 2018, but we in this bitch. Anyway, today is a special video. I really wanted to show you what I got for Christmas. Now y'all know, if y'all watching my channel, if y'all watch my videos, like if y'all actually watch my videos, y'all would know like the struggle it was having to like record and having to do with space and recording on my iPod and my phone, and you know, struggling with storage and quality of the videos and stuff like that. So I got a new camera for Christmas. My mother and my uncle from overseas collabed on this one, and I thank them so much. This was a camera I had seen like these YouTubers vlogging with and stuff like that, and I thought that it would be nice and cool to have it too. So I was saying I will work towards it, and then around my graduation time I had popped into Cave Shepherd, which is like kind of like a mall. To like explain to y'all American folks, is a mall, but it's not such a big mall. But they were selling these cameras, but they were in black, I think. Yeah. And the guy had shown me it or whatever and given me the price. I was like, woo, well, I will have to save towards it, because things here in Barbados are very expensive. So what I did, I know I started saving for it and whatnot, and I didn't really tell my mother about it. I just mentioned it to her, and she came through. Oh my god. No, I'm still trying to toy with it, you know. I ain't good with technology. But I did have a camera before, so I'm not all the way like dumb with it, if you get what I'm saying. But this is more like high tech, like a high tech version versus like the other point to shoot camera that I had like years ago. Well, this is a point to shoot camera though. This is the Nikon A9. Oh wait, the Nikon CupcakeMafia. This is like apparently the perfect vlogging camera for like beginners or people who like to vlog, or these vloggers from YouTube or whatever. So let me just show you a little bit of what I can do. I'm still toying with it, like I said before, so I am not really an expert with it. So yeah, like I said, this came, well, my uncle sent it with, well, the camera of course, and this little bag to carry it around. It came with a little strap and a rechargeable battery just inside, and then I think he put the battery actually came with inside here. So turn it on like this. It's cute. You see, it's small. It's not a big camera, so it's just like manageable. So like this is it. This is the quality. Oh crap. Ugh. Right now I have it. I've been toying with the quality. I have it on 180/60. I think that is good enough quality for me for right now. I don't think I need all that for these videos, but for the pictures, I'm definitely gonna switch it up, like as far as the camera quality is concerned. But anyways, this is it right here. And then you have like the record button, this to show the gallery and menu, and then like the different settings and whatnot. And I really need to show y'all like the camera. Y'all know what camera like. But anyways, the on and off buttons, the different settings at the top. This little thing here says zoom. Oh, I'm not really showing it. This thing is the zoom or whatever. It's the lens strap. This is something I have learned recently. This little part is for the flash. I was so freaking shook. Like, I didn't know about until I read the manual, of course. But yeah, this is for the flash, and the flash is pretty damn dope, if you might me add. And this is the coolest part about this camera, is that the flip up screen. Oh my god. Has a flip up screen for when I'm vlogging like this. And the quality is dope as fuck. So yeah. So this is what it would look like if I was vlogging, like, this is what it would look like. So yeah, my mom told me she had a camera that used to flip like a screen or whatever, like no, a video camera, and she realized like the belt was getting loose and stuff like that. So she was telling me, well, watch where you're flicking it up and stuff like that, so it won't like so the screws and stuff won't get weak. So I definitely have to be careful with it. And the guy at the mall told me not to drop it because this is delicate. So I can't really like drop it like how I drop my phone and everything else. So I have to be extra careful with this. So this is just a little showcase of my new camera. I cannot, well, I've started like recording with it, but I can't wait to take like cool pictures and stuff with it. Oh, I think I thought it turned off. But anyways, I can't wait to take like professional pictures with it. I have to learn how to take like professional pictures. Although it's not really like a big one, the big Nikon like Canon cameras that was like too expensive for me right now. But like, yeah, I still gotta learn a little thing or two because I'm really a techie person. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to like check out my new Vlogmas videos, although they're trash, but yeah. So see you next one. Bye.